everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my favorite 10 comfortable moisturizing lipsticks for brown skin that I use it for my day-to-day wear or any special occasion. Also, it is perfect for this winter season. So if you guys are interested to know which lipsticks I'm going to showcase today, all you have to do is stay tuned till the end of this video. The first one that I'm going to talk about is the e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick. This is in the shade Ravishing Rose, which is such a pretty mauve pink shade that is going to suit the brown skin girls even without lip liners. You can see in the swatch today I have not applied any lip liner and just this lipstick, and just look at the finish, you guys. It is absolutely moisturizing, has that very glossy balmy kind of finish that is absolutely comfortable. Also, it gives you that velvety satiny finish that does not settle in your lip lines in any ways. Also, it is infused with shea butter and vitamin A, C and E to nourish and hydrate your lips throughout you are wearing this lipstick. This rich creamy formula seals the moisture for really long wearing and comfortable wear. Next lipstick is my absolute favorite one. I use it for all of my special occasion. Just look at the shade, how gorgeous it looks on my brown skin. I'm talking about the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in the shade Raisin Rage, which is a beautiful medium dark reddish copper shade that has a luminous sheen, and it has that buildable pigmentation which goes on like butter. In one swipe you get a beautiful opaque pigmentation, and also it has that lightweight thin emollient texture that is not too slippery and is not too clingy. I mean to say, it did not cling onto any of my dry patches on the lips, and it stayed nicely for good 4 to 5 hours with light meals here and there, but with heavy meals it did come off completely from the inner part of my lips. But still, I enjoyed this kind of formulation a lot. It provides me with lot of hydration and nourishment, and I can feel that balminess it provides even if the lipstick wears off. Next lipstick I'm going to talk about is the K Beauty Hydrocreme lipstick in the shade Quirky, which is a very similar formulation to Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick. Even the shade is more or less similar to each other. Quirky is a beautiful medium reddish brown shade that is going to suit a lot of Indian skin tones, especially the brown and deeper skin category. It has that balmy texture that applies like butter and gives you that smooth, even out finish. In one swipe, you get an opaque pigmentation, and it is a hybrid between a lip gloss and a lip balm, you guys. Just look at that luminous sheen it provides. It's very much comfortable, and it keeps your lips nourished for really long time because it is enriched with hyaluronic acid, Moroccan and argan oil and lychee extract. It does not settle in my lip lines whatsoever. Also, it did not cling onto any of my dry patches. In fact, it makes my lips very comfortable in all seasons, especially the winter season. Next lipstick is my most used lipstick, and it is Swiss Beauty High on Shine lipstick. This is from their select range, and I'm going to talk about the shade Rich Rose, which is a beautiful rosy brown shade for our Indian skin tone. Also, it is going to suit most of our brown skin girls. Now, this again has a balmy like texture that goes on smoothly as butter, and it feels very much hydrating, moisturizing on the lips. The texture is absolutely lightweight, emollient, and it just feels like I have applied a good layer of a lip balm. It's not too thick, not too thin, right in between. Even if the lipstick wears off, I can still feel that moisturization and hydration it provides to my lips. You can pull off this shade with or without any lip liner, but when I am going for any special occasion and I want to bring out the shade more in me, I like to use a lip liner. But just look at the finish, you guys, how gorgeous and how luminous it looks. It does not contain any shimmer particles, you guys, but it is a straight on creamy lipstick which I am really loving it. Next one is my recent favorite. It is Stage Beauty Creme de la Matte lipstick in the shade Short of Baileys, which is a beautiful nude salmon pink shade suitable for all skin types. I can pull off this shade on me with full makeup on, and also it looks gorgeous with some lip liner on. Like today, you can see that I have a lip liner in, and this is in the shade Cherry Brown from Swiss Beauty. It is one of my favorite shade, you guys, because I feel this is a universal shade in lip liner. It is going to suit most of the lipsticks that you have in your collection. Talking about the formulation, this again is a creamy matte formulation that goes on like butter. It feels absolutely smooth on the lips and very much moisturizing because it is enriched with vitamin E. Going to hydrate your lips throughout you're wearing this lipstick. It stayed on me for good 3 to 4 hours with light meals here and there, but with heavy meals it did come off completely. Now one thing I have to say is that it is not a matte lipstick, but you can totally make it matte by blotting the shininess that is going on, as you can see, with a tissue paper. Once you blot this, it is going to give you a complete matte finish, and then it becomes a little bit of transfer resistant. Next is Sunny's Face Fluff Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Brunette, which is a gorgeous nude brown shade that has some golden undertone to it. I feel it is my perfect MLBB shade because this is my lip shade in a bullet form. I can totally pull off this lipstick shade on me with full glam makeup on. Like today, I have used some lip liner from Swiss Beauty, which is in the shade 12 Dark Chocolate, and both of these just goes well together hand in hand. Coming to the formulation, it has a beautiful soft matte kind of formulation that feels absolutely lightweight, non-sticky, non-drying, very much hydrating, and it goes on easily like butter. In one swipe, it covered my dark pigmented lips so well. It is just something I would use for my professional day, you guys. Like if I'm attending any meeting with some good black blazer, I can pull off this shade, and it is such a professional shade, you guys. It's like something I would really prefer for my everyday wear. Next is Swiss Beauty My Shine lipstick in the shade Candyman Pink, which is again a beautiful nude peachy coral shade for light to medium skin tone. On me today, I tried to pair it with a lip liner from Swiss Beauty in the shade Cherry Brown, and now both of these combination is just looking wow on my NC42 skin. I will say that the formulation of this My Shine lipstick is exactly like their Select High on Shine lipstick. There is no difference whatsoever, but I feel that with My Shine lipstick, you will have to go with a little bit of more layering if you have dark lips. If you have clear lips, you do not have to worry about it at all. The lipstick feels absolutely nourishing, moisturizing. It goes on smoothly and also evenly on the lips. I feel it is very much hydrating, lightweight, non-sticky, does not come with any fragrance whatsoever. Now, the only drawback about these lipstick is the packaging, which I did not like whatsoever, because you have to click it and only then the product comes out, and once the product comes out, there is no way you can put the product back. So you will really have to be careful about that, and I'm seeing every brand is coming with such similar packaging, which I guess is trending these days. I would always prefer a bullet form rather than this kind of clickable sort of packaging, but the formulation is gorgeous, you guys. Next is Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Rich Ruby, which is a slightly muted medium dark red with cool blue undertone and has a satin matte finish. It has a good pigmentation that covered my dark pigmented lips just in one go, and the texture is absolutely lightweight, velvety, applies smoothly and is very much comfortable on the lips. I did not feel any drying on my lips for 5 to 6 hours. After having my meals, it just slightly came off from the inner part of my lips, but most of the lipstick was still there, and I don't mind retouching my lips whenever I want to with these kind of formulation. This one shade is going to suit maximum Indian skin tones in India, especially the brown skin girls. It looks gorgeous even without a lip liner. Like today, I've not used any lip liner with this shade, and I think it is my perfect MLBB shade that is meant for any special occasion, for any event, for any festive season. This is one shade I would totally love to wear. Coming to the last lipstick of this video, it has to be the Romance Zero Matte Lipstick in the shade Midnight. This is one of my favorite lipstick formulation from Romance. And now let me tell you, the shade Midnight is a beautiful deep wine berry shade that is going to look gorgeous on brown skin girls. Today when I applied this shade on me, I feel my face is looking very fresh and awakened. Coming to the formulation, it is a gorgeous weightless matte formula that glides like butter, making my lips feel very moisturized. guys. These are buildable mattes that you can use it as your lip tint. Also, it goes on like full opaque pigmentation. As you have seen in the swatches, like it covered my dark pigmented lips just in one go. The formula is very light, buttery, and does not dry out or emphasize any of my lip lines, and it gives me a very blurred out lips, which I'm all for it these days, you guys. It feels absolutely comfortable, hydrating. Even if I wear it for really long hours, say for 6 to 7 hours, it still does not suck out the moisture from my lips, which is again a great thing and comes off really very easily. If I'm eating any heavy meals, it does leave some patches here and there, but with light meals, still the lipstick is intact. Now, I feel this formulation is something that everyone should have at least one shade in their collection, because you will love it to the core. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.